Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Gigi, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you different ways of styling your curly hair. It's great for days when your hair is dirty, or you're just in a rush and you got to go somewhere, or even for days that you go to work. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more weekly content, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a few hairstyles that I do, like when my hair needs to be washed. This is actually, believe it or not, day 8 hair, which actually is not that bad for 8 days, because look, the curls are still very much intact. Have a lot of frizz, but hey, it doesn't look that bad. So what I'm going to take is a spray bottle, and also sometimes use this Hawaiian Silky. It's a 4-in-1 moisturizer and has other benefits. So what I'm going to do is take these two front pieces, add a little bit of water in my hair, lay it down a little bit, add some of this in my hand, I'm going to just do a little, kind of like a half up, half down like this sometimes, and clip it. So, let's do like that. It's a little messy. It's cute. Something cute. I love it. So that's one hairstyle. Okay, so I had to wear my robe because I got kind of a little bit cold. So yeah, this is what the hairstyle looks like. And another one is, take these two little front pieces if you want, or you could also pull them back. Take a scrunchie like this. You could just do like a little messy. Little messy ponytail, such as this. Very cute. Okay, so that's one. It's a cute little messy ponytail. And the other one is I usually like doing like little messy buns. Sometimes when I'm in a rush, little messy buns like that. Okay, so that's one. Another one is you could just put your hair up. You could do like the kind of like the higher ponytail. Kind of like this. Okay, that's one. Add a little bit of water. Okay, I like doing this too. Grab one of these scrunchies. A nice cute messy bun. Very cute. It's very, very cute. I love this one. And I'm in a rush. It's quick, simple, and easy. Okay, so that's one. Another one I like to do is take a scarf kind of like this, kind of like fold it in half. So I fold it in half like this. Now what I do is take my hair for a second. Pull my hair back. Then I do like a little bun. Glasses on again. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. Grab the scarf. Put it like this on my head. Okay, so then I take it and twist it. Twist it like this. Keep twisting it. And then I turn it around here and I stuff these ends inside. Such like that. See? Looks nice and cute. And with some nice big hoop earrings, you look all put together. I love it. So, okay, so that's one. Another one. You could also, you know, leave it down if you want. Looks cute. You could put this over your head or under. I don't know. Whatever more comfortable for you. So, that's another hairstyle. Okay, so another hairstyle, and sometimes I do. Take this little piece here. Add a little bit more of this. Split my hair in half. And a little scrunchie. See, this is like little cute. Like it. I love it. Okay, so another one is also, there's so many things that you could do. It's just so, little buns like this, a little bit tighter. Little tighter buns. Look cute. You even have some big hoop earrings. Love it. So there's so many cute things you could do with your curly hair and stuff, and hairstyles. Okay, and another option. You could also do you could take a little piece from here from the front, Here's a little bit now messed up. Oh well. Actually, I like it a little bit higher up. Take my brush, brush it up a little bit. My hair is just not cooperating right now. I think this back part. Okay, so taking this part. There goes one side. So that's another hairstyle you could do. Kind of like two ponies and half of it down. Okay, so y'all wondering what happened here? My two dogs decided to go ahead and go at it with each other. And me coming to the rescue and separating them got caught in the crossfire. They attacked me. It was an accident though, but whatever. Okay, so I got like a little headband like this. Take my hair, apply this headband here, this is another hair option. It's kind of like a boho look. Love it. Okay, so last but not least, is another option. So, part my hair, put a little bit of water. Part my hair to this side. Okay. Oh my, like I said, my hair is frizzy. It's day 8 hair. Take a little Hawaiian flower such as this and clip it to the side of my hair. See? Makes you look all put together. Love it. So cute. Quick and simple and easy. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to look at more content such as this one, please consider subscribing and coming back for more weekly content. So I'll see you guys next week.